Ladies and gentlemen, a lot going on in the news, some good items just to be mindful of. Of course, markets are hanging on tariff talks, trade talks with China. President Xi, he set the terms for what he would like in order to come to an agreement, and that's the U.S. lifting the ban on Huawei, lifting tariffs, and then dropping those efforts to get China to buy more exports, which was actually a breach of an agreement that they made previously. So that, of course, is looming. The talks with Xi and President Trump will take place Saturday at the G20 summit in Japan. The Dow down a little bit, and that's simply because Boeing is weighing on the market. The FAA found a new potential risk that definitely has to be fixed before that 737 MAX could take off again and return to service. So we're watching the Dow and as well as the broader markets.